Hi guys, and welcome back to another video. I'm Jay and today behind the camera is Dylan. So as you can see, I'm stood with our 240i. Now it's looking a bit dirty and we thought, well, you've probably seen in previous videos that when we first got the car, we ceramic coated the car in our detailing bay with Gtechniq products. So what we're going to do today is we're going to head down to Gtechniq and we're going to do an aftercare and we're going to get them to talk about how you maintain your ceramic coating and everything like that. So stay tuned and hope you enjoy the video.
So the guys at Motech have brought up their M240 to us. This has been coated in the crystal serum light in the EXO, and we're going to show the guys how to do a good maintenance wash. As part of the maintenance wash, you want to get yourself something like the Essential Maintenance Kit. The Essential Maintenance Kit contains all the basic products you need to keep your car looking its best. So the first product we're going to do is the G-Wash. The G-Wash is a high foaming, really thick shampoo that gets rid of all that dirt and grime safely. Now, top tip with the G-Wash is to always use a wash mitt. Don't ever use a sponge because they can actually put quite a lot of scratch and swells into the paintwork. Once you wash the car, you can then remove the bugs at the front of the car with the bug remover. This is a great product. All you do is you spray this on and you literally leave it for a couple of minutes and you watch the bugs dissolve right in front of you. All you then have to do is hose it off. This product's been designed so you don't then need to scrub hard at the paintwork. Again, if you're scrubbing hard on the paint, it can potentially put swells and scratches into the paintwork, so it's all about avoiding those. Next, you move on to the wheels. Now, the iron and fallout remover, it kind of has a dual purpose. It's absolutely fantastic as a wheel cleaner, but you can also use it on paintwork. So if you're in an industrial estate or around industry and there's a lot of workshops, they can leave and deposit a lot of metal filings on the surface of the paintwork. And what the iron and fallout remover does is it dissolves them again, so it makes them a lot easier to remove. You can really see this product working. As soon as you spray it on and it hits a piece of metal, it turns purple. So you can really see the active ingredient working away. Then you get your hose out, you rinse off the car, make sure you've got rid of all the wash, the bug remover, the iron and fallout remover. Once the car's wet, you then get out your drying towel, give it a good dry. If for whatever reason there are still some water spots, or you can use this quick detailing product to actually maintain the car in between washes. So if it's a little bit dusty, a little bit dirty, you can give it a quick spritz onto the paintwork and remove that really light dust and dirt or fingerprint marks, just to keep on top of it. Final step is to dress the tyres. You can't really finish off a good car wash without dressing the tyres. That's why we use our T2. It leaves a nice satin OEM finish on that tyre. And we've got the Gtechniq Perfect Glass. This is a really good thorough glass cleaner. Again, perfect to get rid of dust, dirt, and any water spots off the glass. That's a simple spray on, wipe off.
So now I'm back at Motech. The car looks absolutely pristine. Gtechniq done a fantastic job, and as they should, because they are the experts at it. Dom spoke about the essential kits for maintaining the car after it's been ceramic coated. They're now available on our website as well, so if you head over to the link below, you'll be able to purchase those kits. If you haven't been in to see us to have your car ceramic coated and you want to, again, email address down below. You can drop us an email and we can quote you accordingly. Obviously, cars, colours, sizes and shapes are all different, but we can get that sorted for you. So thanks for watching the video. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe, and we'll see you next time.